He's so mean, he won't even buy his wife a birthday present.
Her kids have such good manners.
It was so funny. I nearly died laughing.
The bakery had such a lot of delicious pastries to choose from.
The team had so little time to practice that they were unprepared for the competition.
After the party, there was so much leftover cake that they shared it with the neighbors.
She completed the puzzle so quickly that it surprised everyone. She's fortunate in having such a kind husband.
I really enjoyed the party. It was such good fun. He's so rude that nobody can bear him.